In this video I finish off the copper penny top side table. Links to parts 1 and 2 of this project are in the description. Before finishing off the top I varnished the steel frame to prevent it from rusting. The resin pour did not go as well as I had expected and I ended up having to work on the top quite a bit more. I should have put masking tape around the edges on the bottom to prevent drips from forming. I thought that these would be easy to chisel off, but I ended up resorting to more aggressive methods. The sides also did not get even coverage, so I chiselled away until I got a uniform thickness. The top felt like it had fully cured, but whilst handling it and sanding the bottom, fingerprints and other marks transferred to the top. I ended up wet sanding it heavily and then later refinished it using a high gloss polyurethane varnish, which seemed to work well. I then drilled holes in the 4 corners and screwed the top to the frame. I also drilled holes in the 4 corners of the frame on the bottom to attach rubber feet so that the metal wouldn't snag on carpet or scratch up wood floors. The frame didn't sit level on all 4 corners, so I added washers to 2 of the rubber feet to remove all wobble. Thanks for watching.